Thank you guys for joining me for this 10-minute quick nerve gliding, nerve flossing workout. This is something that if you're having nerve pain, specifically sciatica, you need to be doing this every day to feel relief. That's when you're gonna see the best results. But let's just start with focusing on today. If you have some blocks, that's gonna be really helpful. You can even use a chair for some of these poses. We're gonna start an easy pose. If you cannot be an easy pose, grab a chair, use some blocks and sit on them. Whatever you need to do to get into a seated position. All right, from here, I want you to take a deep inhale in, hold, roll your shoulders down and back, and exhale out through the mouth. Inhale, roll the shoulders up and down, and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now I want you to drop your right ear to your right shoulder very gently. Everything in this needs to be very gentle. I don't want you hurting yourself. No pinching, no pain. As you slowly roll forward and left ear to left shoulder and back gently over to the other side. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And reverse. Exhale. On your next inhale, reach me here at the top. And then we're gonna slowly move your blocks over to the side. And we're gonna do a seated fold. Give yourself, if you're near a wall, give yourself a little bit of space. And then we're gonna start with just your right foot. Okay, so I feel like a lot of nerve flossing is getting the opposite sides of your body to work with each other. So this will take a little bit to get used to. So I want your spine nice and tall. I want you to flex your right foot, bring your chest forward, straight back, straight forward, and then back up. I want you to point your right foot. Flex, bring yourself forward, nice and tall, and point, bring yourself back a little bit. Flex and forward. Keep breathing. Point and relax. Flex and forward. Point and relax. Doesn't this feel good? Flex and forward. And point and relax. Let's switch. So we're on the left side. And this is gonna be probably opposite for you guys, but listen to what I'm saying. Flex and forward on the left side. Point and relax. Flex and forward. Point and relax. Flex and forward. Point and relax. Flex and forward. Point and relax. Let's do one more. Flex and forward. Point and relax. All right, great work there. Try to do that every day. Try to watch this video every day until you start to feel better. So we're gonna do some cat-cow. So I'm doing it this way so you guys can see me. Bring your knees underneath your hips, wrists underneath your shoulder. If you would like and you need support for your wrist, feel free to use your blocks. We're gonna drop the stomach, look up, cow, and reverse it, belly button towards the spine, head between your shoulders, calf. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now I want you to go to tabletop, and I want you to bring your right hand out to the side, palm up, and then tilt your head to the left and back down. Right arm up, palm up, head to the left and down. 2. Right arm up, head to the left, back to center. Arm up, head to the left, back to center. Right arm up, palm up, head to the left, back to center. Switch it up. Left arm up, palm up, head to the right, and back to center. Left arm up, palm up, head to the right, and back to center. Left arm up, palm up, head to the right, back to center. Let's do one more. Arm up, palm up, head to the right, back to center. All right, great work there. And next we're going to do seated hamstring glides. I know, so much fun. Okay, so we're gonna start with your right foot. Keep your left foot in, right foot out and extended, right leg out and extended. And then we're going to flex and come forward and then point. We're doing this again, it's just slightly different. Point, flex, point, flex, point, flex, point, flex. This is my easy side. Point, flex, point. Let's switch it out and do the other side. This is my nerve issue side for my sciatica. Flex, point, flex and forward, point, flex and forward, point, flex, 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 flex. All right, great work there. Now I want you to grab your block. We're gonna use one block for this. I'm trying to think of the best way to show you guys. This is probably good. Okay, so we're gonna be using one block under, we're gonna start with the right knee. And so you'll notice as this right knee is lifted, this left knee is lower, causing the hip to lower as well. So what we're going to be doing is from tabletop, I want you to raise your left hip and even out. And then drop it back down, up, hold, and back down again. Does that sound good? All right, we're going to do 10 on each side. All right, I want you to engage your core, feel strong in your arms. And then you want your weight on this block, so make sure you're nice and comfortable, or you can use a little pillow too. All right, we're gonna lift and lower. Lift, lower. Lift, lower. You really want to feel this from your hips. As you lift, lower, 4, 5, engage the core, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's switch it out. I'm gonna keep myself on this side because I think they'll have a better viewpoint. Back to tabletop, feeling strong. Make sure you're not collapsing in your wrist. And we're gonna lift your right hip, lower, lower. 3, engage the core. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so then from there, I want you to get onto your back. And we're gonna start on, keep your left leg extended, bring your right knee into your chest. Then I want you to extend your right leg. And I want it to be flexed as you extend. And then you're gonna bend the knee and then point and extend, flex, lower and point, raise and extend, 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 lower, raise and flex, lower and point, raise and flex, lower and point. All right, let's switch it out. Grab behind your hamstring loosely. You're gonna raise it, extend, flex, and lower and point. Flex and extend, lower and point. Flex and extend, lower and point. Extend, lower. Extend, lower. Extend, lower. Extend, lower. Extend, point, flex, point, flex, point. All right. I know that doesn't seem like much, but for me at least, it was a lot. Working with your nerves and trying to lower nerve pain is a hard journey, but this is a great step. I would say like try it for a couple of weeks and you'll see that your nerve pain will start to get better. And from sciatica. But stay here in Savasana. We're going to take a deep inhale and exhale. Breathe, inhale in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Feel your body sinking into the mat. I want you to imagine your nerves wiring in ways that feel better for your body. I want you to imagine yourself with full, painless mobility. I want you to think about how good that will feel. Take a deep inhale in. And exhale. When you're ready to come back, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Going to just stretch out your legs and your arms. Get that good morning stretch. Bring your knees into your chest. Get a nice little hug. Roll over to the fetal position. Keep your eyes closed. Brace your head with your arm, your biceps. Slowly push yourself up. Now you're ready to start your day, end your day, whatever that looks like. You can do these morning, evening, afternoon. I'd say like once a day is good. Definitely give me comments, feedback, and I'll try to make more of these. This is just something that's been really like literally bothering me is my own sciatica. So I've been trying to do these on my own, and if it's helpful to anyone else, then great. But I look forward to seeing you on the mat in my next video next week.